Using your AirSense 11. Let's get you familiar with your ResMed AirSense 11. Start by connecting the power supply. Your AirSense 11 has a touchscreen and a start and stop button. From the home screen, you can select My Options, which lets you view and personalize your comfort settings. You can scroll down to view more options. If you need to make a change, tap OK on the touchscreen to confirm. You can then tap the Home button to navigate back to the home screen. My Sleep View automatically generates a summary of your last therapy session when you wake up and press the Stop button. Finally, the More menu contains other settings such as My Air app connectivity and airplane mode. When you're ready to sleep, just press the Start button.
Interested in this product? You can purchase or rent this item and many others from Alpine Home Medical. Visit any of our 11 locations to get yours today. Financing is available, and we accept insurance on many of our products. We're here when you need us.